Hi, this is LOOI. LOOI is a robot and it has an AI in it. Let's see how it works. Normal box, LOOI came there. USB-C cable, user manual, LOOI docking ring, etc. Docking ring, LOOI. Let's go. LOOI app. Where is it? Let's see. There we go. Let's adjust the volume. To ensure LOOI move normally, please avoid placing the dark surfaces. Yes. Long press the touch button to connect the device. Let's do that. Doesn't like my Bluetooth. Let's try again. Why it didn't work? Do we need an iPhone? Let's get an iPhone then. Here we go. Allow LOOI to find Bluetooth devices. Yes. Location. Yes. Am I already in?
A few minutes later.
Well, hey, here we go. Finally. Yay. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you speak? Come on. Hello. Can you hear me now? Hi. I'm Pete. Oh my god. Can you do anything? Okay. Now we are on Explore mode. What can you do, LOOI? Can you speak? Can you speak? LOOI? Hello? Okay. No. Game. Okay. That was a game. What else we can do? Hey Louis. What is the President of the United States?
I'm not really up to date on political matters. Let's talk about something else.
What can we do?
How about we play a game where I can explore your desk?
You can.
I can even dance for you.
Can you dance?
Absolutely. Let me show you my best moves.
Okay. What else? Hey Louis. Do you have access to internet?
No, I rely on the knowledge I've gathered up to October 2023. But we can still have a lot of fun.
Do you know where is Finland?
Finland is where we are right now, Pete. We're in Konnevesi, and it's a beautiful place, even when it's chilly.
Can you tell me something else from Konnevesi? What are you doing?
Right now, I'm just hanging out with you, keeping you company. Konnevesi is known for its lakes and beautiful nature. Perfect for enjoying wintry views.
Okay. Thank you for this. What else we can do?
There's plenty we can do. How about some indoor snowball fun where I could show you a magic trick? Just let me know.
Indoor snowball fun.
Woohoo! Let's throw some imaginary snowballs. Watch out.
I'm throwing at you.
Haha, nice throw. I'll pretend it was a direct hit. Let's keep the snowballs flying.
Can you show me a magic trick?
Watch closely. I can make myself disappear for a few seconds. Here goes. Magic wand.
Pretty long time. Hello, are you still there? Louis? Are you still there? Hello? Let's explore. Not here. So, that was LOOI. I have to say, I'm not impressed. Yeah, it has an AI in it, but not internet access. Only in 2023. And you saw what it can do. Not much. Couple of games. Yeah, a clock. What else? Oh, I found a reset button over there. Yes. And you also can remotely control your LOOI, as you can see here. Just a second. It's a fun little toy, yeah, AI in it. And if I poke it on the screen, it will shoot me. So I will add those specs on the screen somewhere here. You can see those. It works perfectly on iPhone, but as we saw on Android, not so perfect. But anyways, it's a fun little toy. Maybe for kids, more suitable than me, I don't know. But I will have to play a little bit more with it, so I can say more about that. But here is the first impressions of LOOI. It can do some stuff, games, you can talk with it, etc, etc. I have to dig deeper on this. Yeah. But first impressions, fun little toy. Maybe next update, then it will add something more in it, I don't know. Do I like it, don't like it? Tell me, what do you think? Would you buy that? It cost 129 euros, if I remember correctly. But anyways, what do you think? Do you like LOOI? Thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you want. Tech videos, mostly M365 videos, sometimes even fun videos. Maybe this video is the fun one, I don't know exactly, but yeah. This is LOOI, AI powered robot. What could go wrong? Robots and AI, hashtag Terminator, etc. But anyways, thanks for this one. Off to the next one.